Love them or hate them, emoji are a part of how we communicate these days. Unfortunately, it looks like they can make things a little complicated. Personally, I'm on team emoji, but sometimes it gets confusing when you're texting with someone on a different platform. Because I know it may come as a shock to some of you, but not everyone has an iPhone. Here are the 2 emoji that are the most misconstrued. Research from Group Lens shows the tears of joy guy is the most confusing within your own platform. A lot of people think he's straight up hysterically crying, which he's not. So add that to different platform looks and things can get real weird real quick. According to Emojipedia, this is grinning face with smiling eyes. If you look at different platforms on the site, Android, Google, Microsoft, they all say the same thing when you mouse over it. But a lot of people disagree. Emojipedia says it's also known as grimacing, cringe, and wince emoji. On the iPhone, it looks like someone trying to smile their way through an awkward conversation. Come to think of it, using this one is actually very meta. But don't worry everyone, both the folder and open folder seem to be the same across the board. Priorities. I'm Gillian for Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.